is protocol? Protocol is a standard set of rules that allow electronic devices to communicate with each other. These rules include what type of data may be transmitted, what commands are used to send and receive data, and how data transfers are confirmed. Examples of protocols are HTTP, FTP, TCP/IP, SMTP, POP, PVP, VoIP. Types of network protocols. HTTP. The full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This protocol is used for secure communication over a computer network. HTTP is the web native protocol. HTTPS. The full form of HTTPS is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It is an extension of Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is used for secure communication between two systems. FTP. The full form of FTP is File Transfer Protocol. This protocol is used to transfer of computer files between the client and server. FTP is a client-server protocol used for transferring files between computers. SMTP. The full form of SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This protocol is used for sending email over the internet. VoIP. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol and is a technology that makes phone calls possible from any internet connecting device with a microphone and speakers. VoIP allows both voice and data communications to be run over a single network, which can significantly reduce infrastructure cost. IMAP. The full form of IMAP is Internet Message Access Protocol. This protocol is a standard email protocol that stores and accesses email messages on a mail server. POP. The full form of POP is Post Office Protocol. POP is a message access protocol. It enables the client to receive or download the emails from their remote mail server. POP3. POP3. Post Office Protocol version 3 is a standard protocol used to receive emails from a remote server to a local email client. POP3 allows you to download email message on your local computer and read them even when you are offline. PVP. PVP is a protocol most widely used by Internet Service Provider ISPs to enable dial-up connections to the Internet. PVP facilitates the transmission of data packets between point to point. Thank you. Have a nice day.